Do you want to immerse yourself in a luxurious lifestyle? Through the Vera fan, you get a blend of timeless artistic values and superior airflow. With the Timur fan, featuring 3 solid natural wood blades, it embodies a rustic style that brings you closer to nature. Through the Soul fan, the sunflower idea spreads positive energy for a beautiful living space. Melody Footway, the dance of the wind with 3 curved wings, moving gently, creating a cool, warm breeze. A deep, restful sleep with the gentle, cool breeze of the Eagle fan. Any choice will bring you happiness. Mr. Ceiling Fan, a steadfast journey to celebrate unique designs. Mr. Ceiling Fan, VU, enjoys the luxurious breeze